Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I just want to say,
bitch, eat shit and die.
To the people at YouTube for continuously fucking over the content creators.
Suck my dick, bitch. Oh, scandalous ass doo-doo dog breath smoking.
YouTube has once again demonetized my channel without any explanation on which video allegedly violated their terms of service.
Cause the niggas I hang with ain't rich. We'll all say, fuck you, bitch.
These videos take many long hours to film, edit, and upload, so if you enjoy the content, please consider joining my Patreon for as low as $5 per month or donating through Cash App. You can also help out by purchasing a t-shirt through my merch store. The money goes towards gas in my tank to film more videos and internet costs so I can continue to upload more content. Thanks for your support, it's greatly appreciated. And to the people at YouTube, I hope you choke on a big bag of shit-covered dicks. Sincerely, the content creators.
Now ask yourself, are they talking about you? Are you that funky, dirty, money-hungry, scandalous, stuck-up, hairpiece contact-wearing bitch? Yep, you probably are.
Now let's get into this video.
Point them out, let's go. Hey look, show me your JLC, Black ENT shout, get in. And I'm right now, I'm about to introduce y'all to some of the coolest cats I ever met from the Midwest. Hot style them. They said, John, we need to have a roasting session. You and us, we go at it, do it for the world. It's 08, nobody ever did it before. Let's go, let's go. I said I'm with it if you with it. Point them out, point them out.
We looking at nigga, slow looking at nigga, dirty white sock, your toe looking at nigga, right looking at nigga. Will you marry me? Splat looking at nigga, Hoop go bird back flip looking at nigga. Midnight train last night looking at nigga, pole looking at nigga. Don, I'm his old, never hear hoe looking at nigga. Nigga with the smell looking at nigga, rubbing with the KY jug looking at nigga. Morris chestnut shot nigga, back looking at nigga. Vouchers brand new day looking at nigga. In house L Cool J looking at nigga. No mama, no mama. Penny off good times, big JJ looking at nigga.
LL, I need love looking at it. They got D can't get in the club looking at it. Remember me from school? Hell nah, you get no love looking at it. Gangsta homo thug looking at it. Ring around your thug looking at it. Oh, it's the first of the month. Bone thug looking at it. Got your hand off a chain looking at it. It's your brain on drug looking at it. Jagaline, jagaline, jagaline. Burning Matt looking at it. No eyelids can't blink looking at it. You are the weakest link looking at it. No Chris, no Chris, no. Raz B looking at it.
Check it out. You better get your weak looking ass nigga, deep looking ass nigga, peppily peel, you stink looking ass nigga, do number watch my feet looking ass nigga, bang bang bang, ski ski looking ass nigga, tight looking ass nigga, fight looking ass nigga, had to retaliate, might looking ass nigga, dyke looking ass nigga, yo mama so slow she can't cook minute rice looking ass nigga, flop looking ass nigga, top looking ass nigga, can't take off her top looking ass nigga, women be shopping, black Chris Rock looking ass nigga, case looking ass nigga, horse and carriage, Cameron and Mace looking ass nigga, ape looking ass nigga, can I help you? Yeah, put 2 on 8 looking ass nigga.
Come on, man.
You's a broke looking at nigga, joke looking at nigga. Let me clear my throat looking at nigga. SpongeBob on your shirt looking at nigga. I'll play in dirt looking at nigga. Balled up dirty K Swiss looking at nigga. Brown looking stains in your draw looking at nigga. Scooby-Doo! Mike Vick looking at nigga. Why won't lose no weight looking at nigga. Looking real ugly in the face looking at nigga. Jail looking at nigga. Weave looking at nigga. Need to brush your teeth looking at nigga. Boot looking at nigga. Suit looking at nigga. Wayne Green jogging suit looking at nigga. Say it again, say it again. Old picky looking ass. Nigga, just let yourself.
Looking at nigga, I know you wanna leave me. David Ruff looking at nigga.
Anywhere you meet me going down looking at nigga. Hot styles and young dot looking at nigga. Tickle me Elmo looking at
nigga. You bra looking ass nigga. If I was a little bit tall looking ass nigga. Now that's the smell of clean. Oh, pass out looking ass nigga.
This is a song that doesn't end. Lamp chop looking at nigga. Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. Old pops looking ass nigga. Yeah. And that was part one. Radio G. B-Ball, crazy, yes sir. Hey, Swag team. Hey Hershey, good looking boy.
somebody to fuck off. Well, hi, go fuck yourself. Suck a bag of dicks. Eat a big old pile of shit. Wash it down with camel piss, you stupid bitch. Lick my tits, polish all my naughty bits. Kiss my fanny, tell your granny she got shitty grandkids. Blow my finger, smell my butt, sit and spin buttercup. Tell your mama and your daddy they can lick my fucking nuts. Cuddle up to my balls, then wash my dirty drawers. I have fucking had enough, so I'm telling you to go fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Maybe you didn't hear me. I've got 1, 2 middle fingers pointed at you. One means fuck, one means off. So goodbye, toodaloo, adios. Hit the road, go bang a kangaroo. Mount a moose, jack a jackal, like a back a nincompoop. Roll a monkey, monkey fucker, suck my Peter, little skeeter. Ram a lamb, you ding dong. So long, you bottom feeder. I don't need you, never wanna see you. Really wouldn't wanna be a go suck truckers for a buck. Off is where you can fuck. F-U-C-K-O-F-F. Fuck off. F-U-C-K-O-F-F. Fuck off. F-U-C-K-O-F-F. Fuck off. F-U-C-K-O-F-F. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Fuck off. One thing's for sure, you will get called a bitch. Bitch. So motherfucking fast. Bitch. Short dogs in the house. Bitch. What's up, bitch? You the cut up, bitch. Fuck some, bitch. Suck some, bitch. Look out, bitch. Watch out, bitch. Yeah, I fucked you, bitch. Then got out, bitch. Catch out, bitch. Fuck that shit, motherfucker. Get mad. Fuck that bitch. So, bitch, pay me, bitch. You love me, bitch. Hate me, bitch. Straight up, bitch. Save up, bitch. Then pay up, bitch. I don't play that, bitch. Cause a bitch is known to get out of line. And a bitch don't understand. I'm on the grind, you little bitch. I'm all about the paper. When I leave, bitch, tell them all about a clear gone, bitch. Come on, bitch. Run on, bitch. Get front on, bitch. That's right, bitch. Fuck off, bitch. You get off, bitch. When you suck all them dicks, get cut off, bitch. When I come on, bitch. Shit ain't right, get the fuck on, bitch. Speak up, bitch. Say what, bitch. Wanna pull me down, I'ma stay up, bitch. So what, bitch? Do what you wanna do. A nigga like me don't want nothing from you. I want a bitch, a real ass bitch. Feel that bitch, feel that grip. $100 bills, bitch. I'ma still get a grip and I won't feel shit when I get a new bitch, little bitch. Back up, bitch. When I say you fine, don't act up, bitch. I slap her, bitch. Get smacked up, bitch. Wanna get in my way when I stack up chips, I'll call her a bitch. Just a once a month funky cock bleeding. Bitch fell in love, but she won't stop cheating. Real dumb with low self-esteem. Fuck a nigga, she just letting, won't be able to see. Later on, when she wanna get fucked some more, I said, bitch, why you such a stupid hoe? You little bitch, you never could fuck with this. Ain't every bitch that don't like me, she can suck my dick. 20 years later, still setting it off. Still talking bad about them pregnant dogs. They ask me, short dog, why you talk so bad? Bitch disrespect me, get off in her ass. I'm pulling whole cards, trying to learn a lesson real quick. Ask me, what's the definition of a bitch? A real bitch? She gon' know she won. Suck a dick, drink the nut and say she owe me one. Damn, bitch, you that? Bitch, can you do that? Bitch, me back, bitch, say who that? Bitch, I don't know you hoe. I don't sniff cocaine, I don't want no blow. Bitch, you a dummy, bitch, junkie, bitch, funky, bitch, coke ass, bitch, jump out, bitch, get the fuck out, bitch, get cussed out, bitch. Cause a bitch is known to get on my nerves. And a bitch don't really know when I'm on the swerve. I'm like, bitch, miss me, bitch, don't kiss me, bitch, just lick me, bitch. You's a bitch, knew it when I heard the beat. Bitch ain't nothing but a word to me. I told you 10 times, all she gon' get is pimp lines. I'm sure dog, I call her a bitch.
to live my life every day. Keep out of strife. Come what may, I try to do unto others as I'd have them do to me. But it can't be done for everyone, and now it's plain to see. You are a cunt, a bad stinking cunt. Say it ain't true, but let me tell you, you're a motherfucking cunt. You are a cunt, motherfucking cunt. Everybody knows from your head to toes, you're a bad stinking cunt. I try to be real nice, say it twice, be real nice, even though it is hard to keep up this facade. And now I see, dearie me, what an asshole this will be. I'm out of luck, don't give a fuck, cause you're the cunt, not me.
Why don't you go fuck yourself, dickhead?
You are